Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you will be fine. In this video I'm gonna tell you how you can select complete column with just a command in Excel software. In order to select this table instantly, you have to press Ctrl Shift button and then you have to press the down arrow button, and then all the table will be selected. Here I can show you Ctrl Shift and press the down arrow button and all the table is selected. If you want to select one by one, then you have to just click on the shift and then press the right arrow button and you can select. If I want to select all this row directly, then I have to press Ctrl Shift and right arrow button and all the data available in that row is selected instantly. This tricks guys save you a lot of time when you are dealing with data. Guys, subscribe to my channel for more tricks like this. Thank you for watching.